Let's talk about saving some major money at Dollar Tree right now. We're gonna beat Amazon with this tablet stand. I like to call it a table stand because you can use it to prop up anything that you want to. Maybe you have a cell phone, maybe you have a book, maybe you have recipes. Oh yes, for just $1.25, steals and deals, chunky brushes. I am not a crafter or DIY person other than when it comes to cleaning, but these bristles are just soft enough yet hard enough to get in all those hard to reach places. And how about your Lint Trap? There are very few tools that you can use to get in there. Thank you, Dollar Tree. How about some nail art? I like going to the nail salon, but it is fun to save yourself some money. I tried these out on my daughter. She absolutely loved them. Pillow spray. I typically buy mine on Amazon or Bath & Body Works, but Dollar Tree has you covered with this lavender one, and I do not have a cat. However, this cat nail clippers is perfect for trimming your candle wicks, and if you have a snag of some sort, I'm keeping this one in my car. Subscribe for more cleaning and home hacks.